How to make a girl fall for you. 20 simple strategies. 1. Work on yourself and have your own life. In the beginning, you would want to spend every waking hour with her, but you should learn the art of balancing. Women find confident, self-sufficient men very attractive. Work on building it. 2. Be optimistic. Train yourself to be a man of positive thoughts and words, and you will attract her. 3. Keep the conversation going. Ask something unique related to her job or hobbies, and that will help you to keep the conversation low-key and let it evolve naturally. 4. Respect her as an equal. Equality and respect should be the foundation of your relationship, not power or control. Speak to her politely, recognize her potential, and she will start to like you. 5. Be her friend and make it fun. Find common interests and do things together. Have that sense of humor. She'll love to be around you when you can ease awkward social situations, make her feel less stressed, and make her giggle. 6. Be anything but clingy. Attention-seeking, jealous, and too curious guys are a huge turnoff. Give her a fair space and she'll pay you attention on her own grounds. 7. Take it slow, things will fall in place. Being overly keen about her life, texting her too much, stalking her on social media, or buying her too many expensive gifts are acts that result in pressure. 8. Don't make yourself too available. If she feels you're always available, she is likely to take you for granted. Playing hard to get is desirable as long as you know to play. 9. Be chivalrous. Letting her order first at a restaurant, helping her with the door or her coat, or standing up for any woman, chivalrous acts are never out of fashion. 10. Give her all your attention. Be ready to give all of your attention. This is a direct way to convince her to love you. Talk her through her problems and whenever possible offer help. Be consistent, considerate, and supportive. 11. Be well-groomed. Look presentable. Keep your nails trimmed, shave or keep your facial hair neat and always smell good. A body odor or a bad breath is the biggest turnoff for women. 12. Stay connected. Don't ghost her and rather text her, call her, and plan romantic dates continuously. 13. Accept her the way she is. If you focus on her flaws, you're attacking her self-worth. Don't criticize her thoughts and don't try to change her. 14. Befriend her friends. Show inclusiveness by inviting her best friends for lunch, asking their help to pick a birthday gift, and just building rapport with them. 15. Show her off. Be proud to have her. Girls love it when you show them off to the world and get territorial. They find it extremely romantic. 16. Create intimate moments. Plan a romantic date or a holiday. Unexpected PDA, giving her a massage, or something as subtle as kissing her forehead, it can make your bond tighter. 17. Make her feel special often. Girls love surprises, but you need not go overboard and buy something expensive. Buy her flowers, cook for her, or send her sweet texts. 18. Be loyal. You need to show you're faithful. Be honest and show emotional support. Make her your priority. 19. Make her feel secure. Make her feel she can always count on you. When she is feeling low or wants to share something, be present. 20. Express your feelings and nurture the love. To foster a deep relationship, it is essential to share goals and dreams. Share new experiences together.
easy.